How to fix DLL not designed to run on Windows error. Fix 1. Re-register the DLL file. Every DLL file is registered within the Windows system, creating an entry point that allows programs to call it. If the registration becomes corrupt or is missing, errors can occur. Re-registering can often restore this entry point and resolve associated errors. Make sure to replace nameofdllfile.dll with the accurate name of the DLL you aim to re-register. Hit Enter. If successful, a confirmation message will appear, signifying the file's successful registration. If that didn't work, Windows offers built-in utilities, namely the System File Checker, SFC, and the Deployment Image Service and Management Tool, DISM, specifically designed to identify and repair corrupt or missing system files, including problematic DLLs. Once the scan is complete, you should also run the following commands to repair Windows image files. Don't forget to press Enter after each. If that didn't work, Windows releases periodic updates that often contain critical fixes for known system issues. Staying updated can preemptively resolve many problems. A repair install is a fail-safe approach, essentially reinstalling the Windows OS without affecting personal data. This ensures all system files, including DLLs, revert to their original, uncorrupted state.